So now let me introduce myself first. My name is Rutanopana in Group 2. Now I am going to talk about IP in TCP/IP protocol and how does it work. First, eh, firstly, IP stands for Internet Protocol. An Internet Protocol is the method to send the data from one computer to another one. In recent, we use IPv4, but it is almost the end of this generation. Internet. Now, I will talk about Internet Protocol v4 first. And Internet in Protocol v4 is the fourth division of the Internet Protocol IP, used to identify device on a network. Root addressing system, designed for whatever packed with computer communication. And now I will talk about its address. First, it's similar to our postal code, like the postal man. What do we call in English? Send us the message. They need our address line. It's just the same with IP. IP is a set of numbers that have four set of unique numbers. This four set of numbers can be up to 255. Here the example. My PCIP address is now is 10.2.13 and 0.23. And now, how to get an IP address? There are two ways to get it. First, using command prompt. Go to the start, run and type cmd, just like the picture. Then type ipconfig or in the cmd and hit the enter. You will get a lot of information like this. And IPv4 address is at the start of the picture. And the second way is look in network sharing center. First of all, do as the picture said. I don't know how to explain this. Sorry about it. Second, click at change Wi-Fi system setting. Sorry about wrong picture. I'm just saved it already and don't have much time to do it again. Third, click detail. Then after that, here it is. At the box, at the left box. So we know how to find the IP address, but what did it tell us? First of all, this set of numbers tell us two things. First, network ID. Second, host ID. Network ID tell which network we are in. It's like the first one will tell which country we are in. Second is which zone of that country. Like it's just like that. And the second step is host ID tell where exactly the network are. The third and the fourth section of the IPv4. So now I will talk about Internet Protocol version 6. Internet Protocol version 6, or it can be called IPNG, the next generation protocol. And it is the newest version of Internet Protocol now. Come to replace the old version of IPv4. But why exactly do we need it? First, the major problem is we already know that IPv4 is the size of 32 bits divided into 4 sections with 8-bit octet. But now in present, there are too many users in internet, so IPv4 is not enough to store them all. So we have IPv6 to solve this problem. IPv6 have same method like IPv4, just a larger set of number. It allow 1 to 8 bit. Oh, I forget to mention it. IPv4 can store up to 2 billion combination of IP address. And now IPv6 is a successor to Internet Protocol v4, designed as an evolutionary upgrade, and it is designed to allow the Internet to grow steady, both in number and total amount of data. So, what is really changed in IPv4? First of all, there are no more NET and auto configuration, no more private address, better multicast, simple header format, simplify more efficient routing, true quality of service, built-in authentication, flexible option, and easier administration. Thank you for listening to this presentation.